Welcome back. Today, we delve into how to create these fruits AI images. Let's commence. Open your internet browser and navigate to bing.com. Enter AI Image Creator into the search bar and press Enter. Click on the top link that appears. You'll encounter an intuitive interface. Input your desired scene or concept into the search field and click Create. Allow some time for processing. Once finished, you'll be presented with mesmerizing visuals akin to those displayed here. Explore these artworks and refine your initial vision as necessary. You wield complete control over adjustments, as showcased. Again, click on Create button and preview your images. Downloading your preferred images is simple, just a click away. Crafting AI art is truly this seamless. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications for our latest updates. Thank you for joining us.